Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Kia Optima key fob. First, ensure you have a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery ready. Look for the small slot on the side of your key fob. Carefully insert the flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist it to begin separating the two halves of the fob. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Once you hear a small click, you're on your way to accessing the battery compartment. Now that the key fob is open, carefully separate the two halves. You'll see the circuit board and the circular battery, which is typically a CR2032. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently wedge it under the edge of the old battery. Apply slight upward pressure to pop the battery out of its holder. Be careful not to touch the circuit board with your fingers, as static electricity can sometimes cause issues. Dispose of the old battery responsibly. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Make sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards when you insert the fresh CR2032 battery into its slot. It should snap securely into place. Once the new battery is in, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are properly sealed. Finally, test your key fob to ensure it locks and unlocks your vehicle. Before you finish, double-check that all the buttons on your key fob are functioning as expected. Make sure the casing is completely closed and there are no gaps. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced your key fob battery. For those interested in improving their financial well-being, a fantastic resource is The Simple Path to Wealth *. It offers clear, actionable advice on investing and saving. You can find a link to this book, along with other helpful deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.